Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we're going to learn how to install a software agent on a Raspberry Pi. The installation is a very simple process and it can be done in just a few minutes. First of all, download the correct package from our SourceForge page. Since we're going to install the agent on a Raspberry Pi, download the tarball version for Linux, the file with the .tar.gz extension. You can download the file to your computer and then copy it to the Raspberry, download it directly from the Raspberry with wget, whatever is more convenient for you. In our case, we're going to download it with wget. Once you have the tarball copied to the Raspberry, unzip it with the following command. Then enter the generated Unix folder, cd unix / and install it with the command /pandora_agent_installer -- This will start the installation process, generating the folders and files necessary for the agent to work. Now just prepare the configuration file to send the data to the agent. Open the file /etc/pandora/pandora_agent.conf with the editor of your choosing. And modify the server_IP parameter with the address of your Pandora FMS server. Don't forget to enable remote configuration if you're an enterprise user. Now just start the service, for which you have to carry out the execution that you see on screen. After this, the agent will be working and ready to monitor your systems. And that was it for today's video. Do not forget it. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.